Tesla's Model 2, a highly anticipated low-cost electric vehicle, is poised to revolutionize the automotive industry with its innovative manufacturing processes and cutting-edge technologies. Elon Musk has set ambitious targets for production, aiming for 10,000 units per week once full-scale production is achieved. To meet these goals, Tesla is incorporating several groundbreaking innovations, including rare earth-free motor design. One of the key advancements Tesla is pursuing is a new motor design that does not rely on rare earth materials like neodymium, which are typically used in powerful magnets inside electric motors. This move not only reduces costs, but also minimizes reliance on China, which currently controls a significant portion of global rare earth production. Tesla's new design may involve alternative materials like ferrite magnets or specialized iron coatings, though details remain closely guarded. Streamlined seat manufacturing. Traditional seat construction in vehicles requires labor-intensive processes like upholstering foam padding over metal or plastic frames. Tesla aims to simplify this by using advanced robotics, like the Optimus humanoid robot, to improve speed, consistency, and quality. Additionally, the company has patented a skin and foam architecture that integrates the seat's cushioning and upholstery into a single molded structure, reducing complexity, weight, and costs. Centralized wiring hub and 48-volt system. Tesla is reducing the traditional wiring complexity by using a centralized wiring hub that minimizes the need for long, bulky wires. The Model 2 will also use a 48-volt electrical system, already tested in the Cybertruck, to reduce wiring weight and costs by over 90%. This system offers substantial savings in copper and enables the use of remote actuation systems like steer-by-wire, further enhancing efficiency. Unboxing manufacturing technique. Tesla's unboxing technique involves assembling pre-constructed subunits of the vehicle, using its innovative megacast technology. This method produces large sections of the car in single pieces, eliminating the need for many smaller components. As a result, Tesla expects to cut production time and labor costs by as much as 50%, while also reducing the space required for manufacturing by up to 40%. These advancements, combined with efficient production techniques, position Tesla to potentially deliver the Model 2 at a price point under $23,000, making it one of the most affordable electric vehicles on the market. While competitors like General Motors and other manufacturers are also working on budget-friendly electric vehicles, Tesla's approach could set new standards for scalability and cost-effectiveness in the industry. The affordable Tesla Model 2 is set to enter production, with the first production line located at the Giga factory in Texas. While there were initial speculations that the factory would be in Mexico, Texas was ultimately chosen for several reasons. Tesla has access to a wealth of technical talent in Austin, and obtaining permits in the area has been relatively straightforward, allowing construction to progress rapidly. Furthermore, Tesla already has critical infrastructure in place, enabling the company to test production in an existing facility. In case additional space is needed, Tesla could quickly set up a temporary structure, as it has done previously in Fremont. Currently, Giga Texas has a capacity to produce 2,000 to 5,000 vehicles per week, which sets the stage for ramping up production of the Model 2. While the Giga factory in Germany is likely to be the first to produce the Model 2, since smaller, more affordable cars are highly popular in Europe, production in Texas will begin soon. However, protests at Giga Berlin, primarily regarding the environmental impact of the factory's expansion, have slightly delayed production schedules. Tesla's planned Gigafactory in India remains uncertain after Elon Musk postponed a visit to the country. Despite this, with Texas, Berlin, and Mexico coming online, the Model 2 is expected to begin production sooner rather than later. Cost-cutting strategies for the Model 2. There is significant speculation regarding the type of battery chemistry the Model 2 will use. One cost-cutting strategy involves adopting more efficient assembly methods, such as utilizing Tesla's larger, more energy-dense 4,680 cylindrical cells. Some reports suggest that the Model 2 might use BYD's blade batteries, but newer reports indicate that Tesla may opt for lithium iron phosphate, LFP, batteries instead. Tesla has partnered with KTL to develop advanced LFP cells, including the Shanking Plus LFP cells, which charge faster than current models, up to 10% to 80% in just 10 minutes. These LFP cells, which have a superior cycle life, are expected to reduce the need for frequent battery replacements, making them an ideal choice for an affordable EV. Production of these batteries is already underway, and the estimated cost is around $100 per kilowatt-hour, making the Model 2's battery much cheaper than the Model Y's battery. Tesla estimates the Model 2 will feature a 53 kilowatt-hour battery, providing a range of approximately 250 to 300 miles, with 0 to 60 miles per hour times around 5 to 7 seconds. Although performance might lag behind competitors, Tesla's trademark instantaneous torque and handling will remain. Design of the Model 2. The Model 2 will likely adopt a cost-conscious design, possibly resembling a smaller version of the Model 3 or Model Y. It could be offered in compact sedan, hatchback, or space-efficient body styles, with fewer interior amenities than the more expensive Tesla models. The minimalist interior design, already a hallmark of Tesla, may be further simplified, potentially eliminating premium features like heated rear seats. Some speculate that if the Model 2 is part of Tesla's Robo-taxi initiative, it could even eliminate the steering wheel and pedals altogether, though this remains unconfirmed. Despite economizing on luxuries, the Model 2 will retain the essential hardware for full self-driving, FSD capability, which will be available as a subscription service. The car's platform and chassis will be engineered for Tesla's signature performance and handling, with lightweight materials like cast aluminum and composites helping to offset the weight of the battery pack. Competing with affordable EV rivals. Tesla faces increasing competition from affordable electric vehicles, especially from Chinese automakers like BYD, which are cutting production costs by roughly a third. The Model 2's success hinges on Tesla's new production processes, including the unbox production method, which minimizes factory space usage, reduces labor, and eliminates unnecessary assembly steps. This process could cut production costs by 50% and reduce factory space requirements by 40%. Tesla expects to save up to $11,000 on manufacturing each Model 2, providing a competitive advantage in the cost-conscious EV market. Additionally, Tesla's battery and drivetrain technologies will play a key role in reducing costs. The company aims to cut silicon carbide use by 75% and eliminate rare earth materials from motors in future vehicle designs. The Model 2 will likely follow the pattern of other Tesla models, offering both single and dual motor variants. Will the Model 2 redefine the future of electric vehicles? With all these innovations, the Model 2 could indeed redefine the future of electric vehicles by making them more affordable and accessible to a broader audience. Tesla's focus on efficiency, cost reduction, and cutting-edge manufacturing techniques positions the Model 2 as a game-changer in the EV market. What features are you most excited about? Will the Model 2 live up to expectations? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Your support helps us bring you the latest insights into Tesla and the EV market. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll discuss Elon Musk's surprising announcement of a completely new design change for Tesla that is set to shake up everything we thought we knew.